G'day guys, my name is Nathaniel and this is my 1965 Volvo Amazon project. In this video, I'll be removing the surface rust in the floor and I'll also be laying down a chassis coat for extra protection and to prevent any more rust. As you can see, it is definitely a project. So first things first, safety.
Awesome. Now we've got our glasses, dust mask, gloves, and ear mask. We're ready to do this.
Some brief history about the Volvo. It's a 1965 Volvo Amazon. It came from a town called Windsor, not far from me. It was probably about mid-2021. A guy on Facebook reached out and said he has this Volvo available. He's looking to get rid of it. And I said, look, I'm interested, but I have to wait probably around 6 months. So I've got to end around November, December. And here we are. The guy I bought it off said the previous owner had intentions of turning the car into a rally car. Not sure how long ago that was. The car was sitting for 16 years. And the owner I bought it off had intentions of restoring it. But that didn't end up happening. I begin with the wired brush, but then changed over to the wire wheel. That sped the process up quite quickly to remove the chassis coat. So yeah, enjoy the little time lapse of me removing the chassis coat. It gets interesting here. As I'm wire wheeling the floor pan, I reveal 5 previous rust holes that have been done up using Nicky. This just adds to my knowledge about the car. Now I realize that it has been done up in the past, but that's all good. It's a project car. The left side was far better than the right side. I assume that's because the exhaust runs under the right side, so there's more heat and expansion on that side as opposed to the passenger side. But yeah, I only found 1 or 2 rust holes on this side, which is really good. As you can see, I have my safety boots on. Here my mate and I are sanding around those rust holes just to clean them up and prepare them for either welding or grinding. Bunnings, got myself a set of cutting discs that fit this particular grinder, and here we are. We begin the cutting around the hole. I realize it's actually easier to cut from underneath the car. That's because it's the lowest part and it's in a little channel, so I begin cutting it from underneath the car. I also use that file there just to clean up the edges, make it a little more square, just to help later down the track when putting a new plate in. So it was actually a lot of fun using the welder. It's definitely a tool that needs a lot of skill and attention, which makes me appreciate the skill a little more. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. Thank you to my friend up the road, he knows who he is. But for the metal, I actually went to the nearest panel beater and car restorer and asked if I could borrow use their offcuts, and yeah, they were more than happy to hand it over. And so yeah, thank you to them as well, as I am able to complete the Volvo and patch up all the rust holes.
go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
We're up to the stage of preparing the metal. So Johnny and I have vacuumed out the floor from all the sediments and crap and rust fragments. So now we're gonna spray the bottle with metal ready. And the instruction is to leave it wet for 30 minutes.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about. Have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
So this is the finished product. A couple days later, turned out really well. I'm happy with it. I'm glad I got all that rust out, and well, I hope so, all the rust out. But yeah, a bit of a preview. got the steering wheel dash, some instruments in. So please subscribe for the next video and stay keen. Cheers guys.
Taking big swings, put your hand to the bat. Put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag. Cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real. But how is it supposed to